Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like to be on time?
Yes, I value punctuality because it demonstrates respect for the other person and their time, as well as a sense of responsibility and professionalism. Being on time also contributes to tasks being completed efficiently and on time.
Question number 2. Do you think it is important to be punctual?
Yes, I believe that punctuality is essential. Being punctual demonstrates respect for the other person and their time, as well as organization and responsibility. Punctuality also contributes to tasks being completed on time and efficiently.
Question number 3. How do you remind yourself to be on time?
I remind myself to be on time by setting alarms and reminders on my phone, scheduling tasks for specific times of day, and leaving for appointments or meetings with enough time to arrive on time.
Question number 4. How often are you late?
I try my best to get to all of my appointments and meetings on time, but sometimes things come up that make me late. Even if I am running late, I always notify the other person ahead of time so that they are aware of the situation.
Question number 5. Do you feel guilty when you are late?
Yes, I feel bad when I am late. I always strive to be punctual and considerate of other people's time, so being late makes me feel like I've let them down.
Question number 6. How do you feel when others are late?
I am frustrated and disappointed when others are late. Being on time demonstrates respect and professionalism, and I expect the same from others.
Question number 7. Is it common in your country to be late?
In my country, it is common to be late and people expect it.
Question number 8. What kinds of people are often late?
People who are frequently late are usually disorganized, lack time management skills, or are unmotivated to be on time. Being late can also be interpreted as showing disrespect, so people who do not respect the other person's time are more likely to be late.
Question number 9. Why are some people always late?
Some people are always late because they underestimate the time required to complete tasks or travel to a destination. Others may be tardy as a result of poor time management or a lack of motivation to be on time. Furthermore, some people may be late due to a lack of regard for the time of others.
Question number 10. What reasons are acceptable when people are late?
Unexpected events, such as traffic jams or having an emergency or unexpected task to attend to, are acceptable reasons for being late. Furthermore, if a person is running late, they should notify the other person ahead of time so that they are aware of the situation.
Question number 11. Are people as punctual as they were in the past?
I believe that people are not as punctual as they once were. People have become more reliant on their electronic devices and less conscious of the time as technology has advanced. Furthermore, with increased work and family responsibilities, people frequently have to juggle multiple tasks and are more likely to be late. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.